But in Indonesia, they don't have the main collection, a leather sneaker, but inside of it, it's really comfortable. Hello everyone, welcome back to Coco Hedon channel. Today I'm going to unbox a new sneaker from Christian Dior. Wow! So if this is your first time watching my channel, I will review a lot of sneakers, a lot of bags, a lot of prices of branded stuff. So if you have interested in that, you have to like and subscribe this channel. So check this one out. B27 low top sneaker from Dior comes with navy blue box with navy blue dust bag and white tissue paper. They give the same color extra shoe lace, and here it is, the gorgeous white color B27 low top sneaker Christian Dior. Yeah, you are right, this is the B27 low top sneaker from Christian Dior. I already fell in love for this sneaker for a long time ago, but in Indonesia they don't have the main collection until the mid of 2021. But after the release, the price is really high, so I decided to order from my friend in the Europe. So I will review this sneaker for you. Although brand new for this collection, B27 low top sneaker is already a house essential. Crafted in white and gray smooth calfskin, the style is adorned with white Dior Oblique Galaxy leather inserts on the sides. The sneaker is enhanced with CD icon eyelet as well as numerous emblematic details on the two-tone rubber sole, tab and back. The low top sneaker will enhance any favorite look. The details of the bottom of the sneaker is combining from white and gray color with an Dior extruded leather. The pattern is quite short, so you don't have to worry to get difficult when you clean the shoes. In front of the shoes, there is dotted texture that will make these shoes unslippery. These shoes full of white calfskin leather. In case these beautiful leathers get dirt, you have to clean it immediately. The reason I chose B27 than B23, these shoes only have a small part of oblique pattern on the outside of the shoes. The color of shoe lace is also white, with CD leather inside of the shoes, and the most important, inside of the shoes there is a comfortable foam, so you will always get comfortable while wearing these shoes. I think my explanation is quite detailed. Now I will give you a closer look to enjoy this B27 low top sneaker by Christian Dior. So how was this sneaker? I think this sneaker is really stand out with the oblique pattern in the left and the right of the sneaker. I really love these shoes, even though this is a leather sneaker, but inside of it, it's really comfortable. I use it for traveling 24 hours, but my foot is really comfort. However, the price for sneaker from Christian Dior is really high, but it's really worth it because it's really comfortable for your feet. So thank you for watching this part. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you again in another video. Goodbye.